Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am going to be reading from page 118 in your book. What are ocean currents? What affects surface currents and continental deflections? So instead of looking at me, I'll let you look at rain. What are ocean currents? The ocean contains stream-like movements of water called ocean currents. Ocean currents that occur at or near the surface of the ocean, caused by wind, are called surface currents. Most surface currents reach depths of about 100 meters, but some go deeper. Surface currents also reach lengths of several thousand kilometers and can stretch across oceans. An example of surface currents is the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is one of the strongest surface currents on Earth. The Gulf Stream transports or moves more water each year than is transported by all the rivers in the world combined. Infrared cameras on satellites provide images that show differences in temperature. Scientists add color to the images afterwards to highlight the different temperatures as shown in the picture below. Surface currents are affected by three factors: continental deflection, the Coriolis effect, and global winds. These factors keep surface currents flowing in distinct patterns around the Earth. Continental deflection. Continental deflection. If Earth's surface were covered only with water, surface currents would simply travel continuously in one direction. However, water does not cover the entire surface of the Earth. Continents rise above sea level over about 1/3 of Earth's surface. When surface currents meet continents, the currents are deflected and change direction. For example, the South Equatorial Current turns southward as it meets the coast of South America. So you can see here in the picture, the water flowing up from Antarctica hits the continent of South America, and then it has to deflect and turn away from it because the land is in the way. Very simple. The equatorial current, which is right along the equator, hits and then splits south and splits north. The north equatorial, again, pushing west. With this being Africa, this is where most of our hurricanes come through. If you ever watch hurricanes in the summertime, you'll see it travel right across the Atlantic Ocean and then curve up into us here in North America. So the currents change directions whenever they meet continents. And that is out of page 118 and 119 in your textbook.